Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about chemical peels and what they exactly do for your skin. I'm also going to be comparing two chemical peels by the Derma Co. So the first one that I have is their advanced peeling solution, which contains 30% AHA and 2% BHA. And the second one that I have is their beginner's peeling solution, which contains 15% AHA and 1% of BHA. So for all those of you who are confused, let me just make it a little bit simpler. These peeling solutions contain AHAs and BHAs. AHAs are alpha hydroxy acids and BHAs are beta hydroxy acids. AHAs help to exfoliate your skin. They help to remove the top few layers of dead skin, thereby revealing the fresher new layers of skin on top. And BHAs help to deal with acne, pimples, whiteheads and blackheads. So this contains AHAs like glycolic acid, mandelic acid and lactic acid, and for BHA it contains salicylic acid, which is the best ingredient for acne prone skin. Now let me explain how chemical peels actually work on your skin. So they work very similarly to physical exfoliators like a face scrub, but they are better than face scrubs. They are more effective and more gentler than face scrubs. So when you use a face scrub on your skin, you're removing the dead skin off your face, and after using a face scrub your skin glows instantly. But at the same time, when you use a face scrub, it contains very harsh scrubbing particles, scrubbing agents, which cause a lot of skin irritation, which might cause a lot of redness on your skin. And if you have active acne, it might just transfer the acne causing bacteria to the rest of your face and make the situation worse and aggravate your acne even more. Also, if you scrub too much or too frequently or too harshly, it might lead to tearing of your skin tissues, which is very bad for your skin in the long run. It makes your skin age very fast. So I don't really recommend using face scrubs to exfoliate your skin. Instead, you can go for chemical peels. Chemical peels do the exact same thing of exfoliating your skin, but at the same time they are so gentle. They do not lead to any tearing of your skin tissues. They do not make your acne situation worse. Instead, they help in dealing with your acne better and in making them go away faster. And they also help to add a glow to your skin while at the same time improving your complexion and the texture of your skin. So chemical exfoliators are far more better than face scrubs, and they are far more gentler than face scrubs, and I highly recommend that every single time that you want to exfoliate your skin, you go for chemical peels instead of using face scrubs. So chemical peels have four major benefits for your skin. It helps to improve your skin complexion, your skin texture, it helps to add a glow to your skin, and it also helps in dealing with acne and pimples. So since chemical peels help in exfoliation of your skin, if you have any kind of bumps on your skin, if you have any kind of acne on your skin, or if your skin is very rough, then the exfoliation helps to remove the top few layers of dead skin, thereby revealing fresher, more smoother skin underneath. So all of the texture that's on your skin keeps reducing and your skin keeps becoming smoother. Then again, if you have any sort of discoloration on your skin, be it dark spots, acne marks, sun tanning, or any sort of hyperpigmentation, all of that is also reduced with chemical peels because the top few layers are removed, and that's where the maximum amount of pigmentation is. And as and when your skin from underneath comes on top, the pigmentation keeps getting lighter and lighter, and eventually it fades away completely. So your skin complexion and your skin texture becomes so much better. Basically, your skin becomes more even toned and it becomes more smooth. Also, it helps to add a visible glow to your skin because the dull skin is removed and the fresher layer comes on top. So automatically your skin glows a lot, like after using chemical peels. Also, these contain BHAs like salicylic acid, which helps to target acne and pimples and also whiteheads and blackheads. So if you have those problems, if you have acne prone skin, these are going to be your lifesaver because they help in dealing with acne and they help in making them go away faster, and they also help in making the acne marks go away faster. So for acne prone skin, these are a complete must have. So these are all of the benefits of chemical peels. Now let me just explain the difference between both of these chemical peels that I'm holding. The beginner peeling solution contains 15% of AHA, whereas the advanced peeling solution contains 30% of AHA. The beginner peeling solution contains 1% of BHA, whereas the advanced peeling solution contains 2% of BHA. So the concentration of actives is more in the advanced one than the beginner one. So the beginner one, as the name says, is meant for beginners. If you're just starting off with using chemical peels or with using active ingredients, you can start with the beginner one, keep using it for a couple of months, and then you can move on to the advanced one. Then again, I would recommend using the beginner peeling solution once every single week or once in every 10 days, however you like it. Because it's very gentle. The concentration of actives is like really low, and it's gonna gently exfoliate your skin, very like gently. So you can use this more often as once every single week. Whereas the advanced peeling solution, even though they've mentioned that you can use it every week, I like to use it once in every 20 to 30 days. Because this contains a higher concentration of actives and it helps to exfoliate your skin even better than the beginner one. So I like to use this once every single month, or before like special occasions, before a festival or a wedding function that I need to attend, or before like a birthday or something. I like to use it at that time. And how you're supposed to use them is that you need to wash your face first. You need to ensure that you have a clean face first. Then just take about 4 to 5 drops of the peeling solution and apply them all over your face, and just spread them all across your skin. Do not massage it in your skin, but just spread it all across your skin very evenly. Let it stay on your skin for about 10 minutes, and then you can wash it off with normal water, or you can use a very gentle face cleanser. And after you rinse off the peeling solution, you're gonna notice that your skin instantly glows, and when you touch your skin, it's gonna feel a lot more softer and a lot more smoother. With the beginner face peeling solution, you have to be a little patient, because even though with every use you are gonna see a difference, but for a very noticeable, very visible difference, you have to use it a couple of times. But with the advanced peeling solution, the difference will be a lot more visible than the beginner one. So I like to save this for special occasions and just like to use it monthly, whereas this is something that you can use like in your weekly skincare regime or something. And trust me, ever since I've started using these chemical peels, I have not touched a single face scrub. I do not go back to face scrubs anymore. I do not even intend to go back to them like in the future, because these work so gently on my skin and they do the job for me. They get the job done without really drying my skin, without making my skin irritated or anything. So I highly recommend you start using chemical peels instead of face scrubs, because these are much better, much gentler and much more effective. Derma Co is the only brand that I've tried for chemical peels, and these work fabulously on my skin. Derma Co is a very safe and effective brand to use. I've used a lot of their products and they work really well on my skin. I love the fact that they disclose a percentage of actives in their products. That way I exactly know what I'm putting on my skin. And also I recently attended this masterclass by Derma Co, where I got a lot of more information about active ingredients, about how they work and how they make your skin better. So if you get a chance to attend this Derma Co masterclass, please do so. It's very informational and it's very insightful. So that's why I trust Derma Co as a brand, and moreover their products work really well for me, and that's why I recommend their products so much. So if you want to try out chemical peels, do check out the Derma Co. Their chemical peels are amazing. They're both available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and also on Derma Co's website. And if you're a beginner just starting off with using chemical peels, then go for the beginner peeling solution. But if you're already using chemical peels in your regime, then you can try out the advanced peeling solution. This is amazing. Also, one thing that you need to keep in mind while using chemical peels is that 1 week before using a chemical peel or 1 week after using a chemical peel, please make sure that you do not bleach your skin. Bleaching makes your skin very sensitive, and that's not when you want to use a chemical peel on your skin. So do not bleach your skin 1 week before or 1 week after using a chemical peel. Also, after using a chemical peel, at least for 24 hours, do not wear makeup, do not apply any other active ingredients on your skin. Make sure your skincare regime sticks to just cleansing and moisturizing. That's it for 24 hours after using a chemical peel, and then you can carry on with your regular makeup, your regular skincare after 24 hours. So yeah, that was my video on chemical peels, what they exactly do for your skin, the do's and don'ts, how to use them, and the difference between a beginner peeling solution and an advanced peeling solution. I hope I have managed to cover up all of the points about chemical peels. If there's something that I missed out, or if you have any other doubts, if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. I would definitely answer them and solve all of your queries. And if there's any more information that you need about chemical peels, I would love to make a part 2 of this video and share all of the information that I might have missed in this one. So just let me know in the comments and I will definitely guide you guys out. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.